First things first, let's get rid of this hideous light fixture. So much better. Here I'm going to take off the light switch covers and replace it with something more glamorous. That is so much better. You know this is pretty simple. Unscrew the plates, take it off, put new plates on, screw it back. And then I stopped by Home Goods and found this cute little tray that has a mirror bottom. And I picked up a candle, and what you see me doing now is Windexing that off. And then I'm going to take this candle and remove the label so it'll look all fresh and clean. Another thing that I picked up from Home Goods is this cute little picture frame, and I, right in Microsoft Word, created this little saying, "Today I choose happiness." I've also included some napkins, and I want to discuss something with you all. I don't know if you have issues with this, but just because someone has a decorative towel in their bathroom does not mean you use that towel if there are napkins in the bathroom as well. Oh my gosh, that is so awful. Yes, we know that someone just finished washing their hands, but guess what? Everybody does not wash their hands the same. If so, the CDC would not have told you to take at least 20 seconds to wash them. You get the point. Now, I know that rant took a little too long, so let me digress. I went ahead and folded up my towel, and what you saw me do before was take my Bath & Body Works Wallflower and plug that in. I love Laundry Day. If you love something different, let me know. Here I am being very, very extra because everything needs to be aligned well. Look at that. It's not aligned. Start over. Yeah, that's me. Let me know if you all do that same thing. But now we have all the towels ready to go. And I am going to go ahead and create my little basket for my guests. It's going to be all of the things that they need during their stay here. Here's some toothbrushes. We're going to put in some toothpaste. We are also adding in Band-Aids because you just never know if you need them. Some Dove soap, of course. I have some Vaseline. I have mouthwash and also some dental floss because yes, you should floss daily, if not multiple times per day. I'm also now grabbing some Q-tips to put inside the container as well. And basically, we just want to make sure that everyone is set and they don't have to ask for anything. There's nothing worse than staying at someone else's home and feeling like you need to ask for things that you may have forgotten to bring on your own. So this is a great little caddy. Let me know what you all may put in yours. And if I am missing anything, and I'll be sure to add it. As I'm looking at this, I already see some things that I forgot to add. Even though I do have Vaseline, I think I want to put in some lotion. And I guess there's nothing wrong with adding some deodorant as well, because anything that people use when they come and stay with me, they can definitely take home with them. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put that under the sink. This little spa mat is so cute. I found it on Walmart.com. It just says spa, and it actually has another rug that comes with it. I found this trash can, I believe, at Macy's, and what I love about it is it's one of those trash cans where it completely covers the trash bag. Gone are the days of seeing trash bags waving at us in the bathroom. Let's go ahead and secure those things. So what I do is I go ahead and put the trash bag in, make sure it's pretty tight, and then I'll wrap around it securely and make a knot. And then once I have that knot secure, I'll go ahead and put the cover over top of the trash bag and conceal the knot. There we go. Let's go ahead and put that down. Moving right along, this hardware came with the home as standard, but I want to upgrade it just a bit. I found some jewel tone knobs, so I am putting those in now. Alrighty, winner winner chicken dinner. Looks good to me. So wrap this up. As you can see, these signs I made myself. The mirrored frames I got from Amazon. Can't we get everything from Amazon these days? And I went ahead and added a shower curtain and some jewel prongs to go along with the jewel theme. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I don't know why, but I feel like this bathroom looks even better in person. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, guys, be positioned well. Bye.